Hey everybody, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at Intuitive Machines Inc., ticker symbol LUNR, a lunar lander test run and microfloat play. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey, always do your own due diligence. If you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. Today we called out EDTX, and it ran up 446%. And this week we also called out PRFX, which ran up 551%. We just made different. The early bird gets the cash. And by the way, we have also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade at what has been working for us. So let's get right into it with Intuitive Machines Inc., ticker symbol LUNR, which is located in New York City. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ aerospace and defense company with a $718 million market cap and 163 employees. Intuitive Machines Inc., LUNR, is a diversified space company focused on space exploration. They make and provide things that help robots and humans explore space, like going to the moon, Mars, and beyond. It is made up of 4 business units that have different functions. One division is designed to support satellites and stations in Earth and lunar orbits. Another division leverages its technologies and government funds to create a foothold in capturing the growing orbital services market. And another division helps with collecting and sharing information about the moon. And the last one makes and provides different tools and equipment for space missions. All of these have the same goal of supporting space exploration and making it easier for scientists and astronauts to do their work. LUNR was established in 2013. Now let's take a look at LUNR's most recent news. On Thursday, July 13th, 2023, LUNR announced it had conducted a complete spacecraft test of its Nova-C lunar lander, sending its Class A shares nearly 20% higher in extended trading. The company currently has 3 missions that will deliver NASA and commercial payloads into orbit and on the surface of the moon, according to its website. LUNR CEO Steve Altemus said, "This test run represents a crucial step forward in validating the performance of the entire Nova-C lunar lander system on its way to the moon." The volume today traded on this stock was 863,000 shares. The 10-day average is 154,000. That's 4 times more than the 10-day average. It's more than 2 times the outstanding float, which is 329,000 shares. This float makes LUNR a micro float stock. On the price of LUNR stock was pushed upward today with this news, and this could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. On the recording of this video, July 13th, 2023, the stock is now trading at $9.98. Undoubtedly, the positive news of the successful spacecraft test, combined with the fact that LUNR is a microfloat stock, can move the price action upward for LUNR. A continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We just made different. The early bird gets the cash. And by the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not. But we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Intuitive Machines Inc., LUNR, is a publicly traded NASDAQ company that is in the aerospace and defense sector. LUNR is a company we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Will LUNR run parabolic? It will need volume, but who knows for sure? We are still in a bearish market, and of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. This is not advice, and we are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion, and I will have LUNR on my watch list. It's Double Moms, and I will see all of you on the flip side.